Hello everybody, Lady B again. What this is, yes, this is a bunch of bacon. I didn't think about doing a video until I'd already started this, but for the first time ever, yes, I'm doing a lot of first things, but I've never had bacon jam before that I know of. I contacted somebody that I visited with her, and I asked her if I tried it out there. I didn't know if I did or not, but anyhow, she never did get back to me. But I'm going to make some, and I'm going to try it. But I've got 2 pounds of bacon in here, and by the looks of my electric skillet, I'm going to have to change to a pot, because this is the biggest skillet I have. I loaned one to a neighbor, and they moved and took it with them. It had a really big, huge skillet, heavy bottom skillet, but they took it with them when they left. But oh well. Anyhow, after this gets to the brown stage, then I will bring you back. Thought I'd bring you back and let you see that it's almost there. And this bacon smells amazing. That's all I'm going to be able to do, stay out of it until the bacon jam is done. And I can tell you already, it's going to have to be changed to a different pot. I don't have any more skillets. Not big ones anyhow. But anyhow, as this goes along, I'll bring you back. Okay, to this, I'm going to add 1 medium onion. I'm going to let this saute, and as I let this saute, I've got to take my camera and plug it in because I'm almost out of juice. So we'll bring you back. Well, that didn't last very long. Okay, this is sauteed. Now this is 4 cloves of garlic. And by the time I ran it through the coffee grinder, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot here, but that is 4 cloves. It wasn't very big cloves, but it is what it is. Okay, and to that, let's see. Now I'm putting in 2/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Now, was that packed or what? And I drained off. Oh yeah, I'm sure you've noticed the difference. I've changed from my electric skillet to this pot. Okay, now I am going to add, make sure it's all stirred up. Oh my gosh, it's smelling so good already. The garlic is kind of overwhelming, but I guess that'll calm down after a while. I've got beef broth here, and it says to add 1 cup at a time and then let it reduce. So I'm going to add that right now, at least a little bit. That's about a cup, and I'll bring you back in a little bit. Okay, while I had this on the stove, I went ahead and added all the beef broth, and there were 6 cups of it, and I did not just put 1 cup in at a time. I put 2 cups in, let it reduce, add the other 2 cups, let it reduce, and the last 2 cups, and this is the result. And it smells amazing. So I'm going to let this cook just a few minutes longer. I got this off of YouTube from the Stay-at-Home Chef. Now what I did was double the recipe. The only thing I did not double was the beef broth. it would have called for 8 cups, but I only used 6 cups. I think that's probably plenty. And it smells amazing. Shame we don't have smell-o-vision. How many times have you told that to everybody else when you watched somebody's yummy recipes? Okay, I'm going to turn my heat off. And it says to transfer it to a blender. It says food processor actually, but I'm going to put mine in the blender right here. Just keep it away from the heat. Yeah, a pot holder would be very smart to use. I'm going to put this all in here. Get all that yummy goodness out of there. Put that over by the sink. And now I need to put in, which one first? The honey. This is 8 tablespoons of honey. Now when I put the recipe down in the description, I will put it for a double recipe. But I will remind everybody that it is a double recipe. If I like it, and if enough of my friends and family members like it, then I will make some more. And this is 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and not quite a teaspoon of black pepper. It calls for a teaspoon, but I don't like black pepper all that much. And I'm going to put this in here. And I'm making a mess on my stove already. I know when I chop this all up, it's all going to stir in anyhow, but put the lid on, and it says chop. Now this will get a little bit loud, and I'm sorry, but I don't want to liquefy that. And actually, I think that's enough. Can you see that? Look at this. Yummy goodness. Okay, anyhow, now we have to add 4 tablespoons of butter. And as hot as that is, it should melt. So, I'm going to stir this in here and let it melt. And after this is all melted, I'm going to pour them in the canning jars. And I have the plastic lids to go on them. Because I don't imagine once everybody tastes it that they're going to leave it alone. I'm going to give a jar to a friend. He can't wait to taste it. He should be here tomorrow. So we're going to see how that goes. I don't know if he'll just want it, just taste it like this, or whether it will be, whether I'll make a cheeseburger. I don't know. That's how I want to make it. That's how I want to taste it. I mean, I'll taste it here in a minute when it cools down. But I cannot wait. Yummy goodness. So anyhow, we'll be back in just a bit. Okay, I'm back, and I've got them in the jars. All I got was a little over half of a pint, and these 2 little things. That way I figure I can keep one and give 2 away. I'll probably keep one of these, since it's just me. And I'll give my friend this if he likes it. And I'll give this to my son and see if he likes it. If they like it, then I'll go ahead and make some more and can it. But we'll see. First of all, we're going to see if I like it. It smells wonderful. And it's already cooled. It's definitely different. I think it would taste better on a cheeseburger. I don't know. You might get creative with it. Maybe baked potato, maybe. I don't know. We'll play around with it and see. But anyhow, that's all for now. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next video. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.